All right, what's up, free newsletter? This is Tanner from the School of Trading, and I wanted to make a quick video going over our 35 Steps to Trading Success one-on-one mentor program. As many of you know, we have this program on sale for 50% off for the month of September, so we have a little over 7 days left on that sale before the price will go back up. So I wanted to talk about it. I've had a lot of questions, people who are on the fence about joining, interested, and that wanted some clarification on a few things. So what we'll go ahead and do is we'll kind of just roughly run down exactly what the program includes and then address a few of the questions that have been sent in. So as you can see, again, like I mentioned, it will be 50% off and we have 10 spots available. We try to limit to a degree how many people we let in at one time, so it allows me to work more closely with those individuals. So we have 10 spots remaining and it is 50% off until the end of the month of September. But let's go ahead and scroll down here. So under the here's what you get with our mentor program, we list each of the different things that you will be receiving when you sign up as a member or student of this specific plan. But I wanted to go through these and kind of expand upon them if necessary. So right off the bat, you can see that you'll receive lifetime access to our daily watch list, which will be delivered directly to your inbox each trading day. Our daily watch list breaks down multiple potential trades. We go over entry levels, potential profit targets, stop loss strategies, and provide full technical breakdowns. So this watch list, really the key is to expand upon what you're already finding in your scanning from what you learn in our trading courses. Okay, we give you all the tools to go out and do your scanning on your own, to build a watch list, all that stuff. But this is something that you can add as supplemental to that to find even more trades. Also, the watch list really is a great educational tool. After you go through a lot of our videos, watching the watch list videos will help you better understand our strategy, how to implement it, and different things to look out for. So it has great value in my opinion. Obviously, we have a lot of winning trades. Not all winning trades, they're losing trades from time to time, but we manage those correctly to limit our losses. So the watch list could be a great addition to what you're already doing with our other educational videos in our advanced video library or our trading courses. So the next thing you can see is you have lifetime access to our Learn to Trade Like a Pro educational course. In our trading course, we'll teach you all of the basics needed to lay a solid foundation and slowly grow your trading expertise. As it stands now, our course consists of 14 videos that are accessible and perfect for beginner to intermediate level traders. With our course, you will learn and grasp the psychology of trading, how to read charts, different strategies to produce consistent profits, how to spot powerful breakout plays, and much more. So our trading course was actually the first thing we came out with as a program, and it has been our most sought after program that we've had here since the beginning. It's been the most purchased. It tends to get the best results and the best reviews from students. It's very simple, very basic, but it teaches correct principles. And that's a very key thing when it comes to trading, is not getting overwhelmed with the mountain of information out there. This sifts through it, gets right to the important stuff, and lays that foundation that then will allow you to build and grow on as you move forward. So it's the first thing that you should be jumping to right when you become a mentor student, is going through that trading course. Again, as a mentor student, you have it for life. Anytime we add new videos, it doesn't matter. That course is yours for life. There's no additional payments. The next thing you can see is you'll have a lifetime access to our powerful candlesticks patterns and how to trade them mini course. This mini trading series will provide you with 12 of the most effective and proven candlesticks and candlestick patterns that you can begin using immediately in your trading. From the basic hammer candle to the morning star, we cover each pattern in depth and provide you with all the tools you need to begin implementing them in your trading from day one. So in the trading course that we just mentioned, there is a candles video where you will learn some of the basic candles. In this series, which we will add these videos into your premium video library, in this one you're going to go over 12 different candles as well that also can be great tools when you're breaking down a chart, technically speaking, to find potential reversals to the top side, to the downside, whatever it may be. So candlestick patterns are incredibly powerful. For those who aren't familiar with them, this mini series will bring a lot of value to what you're doing as a trader. You can see we'll also have lifetime access to our advanced video library. So our advanced video library currently consists of a little over 50 educational videos and growing. We tend to work to add new videos to that library every month at no additional cost to you. With these videos, you'll be able to learn how to master our methods and apply them on your own. We add new videos, as I mentioned, to this section each month at no additional cost. So this is where we add any new educational video we create, we add to this section. So when students are sending in a lot of questions and it gives us ideas to create certain videos, we'll make the video, we'll throw it in this section. And it's something you can refer back to time and time again. We have videos, in-depth videos going over various scanning methods, how to use finviz.com, how to use stockcharts.com for scanning, how to use stock charts to set alerts, all of our different strategies, our support reversal trade, our basic reversal trade, our triangle breakout trades, all of our different strategies have videos in this section that you can refer to so you can utilize them on your own. We have videos on how to trade the housing market, how to trade gold, how to trade the dollar. I could go on and on. We have a lot of great videos in that section that can really help you expand on what you learn in our trading course, and it can be great benefit to you as we move forward and as we add new videos to that section as well. And again, you're going to have lifetime access to that advanced video library. Even as we add new videos, you still receive access at no additional cost to you. You can see also lifetime access to intraday updates on the market and trades on watch. So what we like to do most days is we send out emails kind of, not always in the middle of the day, sometimes early in the day, sometimes in the middle, sometimes in the latter portion of the trading session. But what we go over basically is we kind of do a rough breakdown of how the market is performing, how the Dow is performing that day, to give you a heads up. And then we go and break down any current trade that we have on watch so you can know, okay, if it's a trade we haven't entered yet, how close is it to our buy signal? Is it one that it's even worth focusing on this day? If it's not close to our buy signal, you can know, so you could not even focus on it. And if it's a trade we're in, how close to our profit target or stop loss is it? How is it moving that day? And what are some things to consider? This is going to help you get better buys and better sells. So this intraday market updates can be great benefit, real short and sweet, but they get right to the point, and they let you know, especially for the busy working professional, they let you know where your open trades are at and some things to be aware of. So lifetime one-on-one help and training. So any questions you have, any question, we will answer. If our email answer isn't good enough, now this is something specific for mentor students moving forward. If our email answer is not good enough, we will make a personal video for you addressing the topic if needed. So a lot of times we receive a lot of questions over email. Most questions can be quickly addressed over email and sent back, so you have the email saved and you can refer back to it time and time again. But some questions are just much easier addressed over video. So sometimes you may send in a question and then you may receive a video response that day that you can also refer back to with multiple examples breaking down the topic that you were addressing and hopefully helping you expand your knowledge of the situation. So no question is too stupid. Absolutely no question. That's one thing newer traders fear, in my opinion, early on is, oh, I feel like this question might be dumb. No question is too stupid. I want you to ask as many questions as you have, because it could be the difference between you making and losing money. So as a mentor student, your questions take top priority over all other questions that are sent in. So when I get emails from different students, the mentor students ones get addressed first, and often, if needed, they will have a video response attached to them instead of just a basic email response. But sometimes email will do the trick. It just depends on how in-depth this specific question is. So lifetime access to our 35 Steps to Trading Success guide. Upon joining, you will receive access to our 35-step guide. This guide walks you step by step through each video to watch. So all those videos we mentioned up here in the trading courses and the advanced video library, it lays them down in a format for you. Okay, it tells you exactly which ones to watch and in what order to watch them. It'll prompt you at times to complete homework assignments to send in for review and feedback, so you know you are progressing properly. Now that is really key. This will help you know if you're actually grasping the things we're talking about. If you're not, you'll know because you won't do so well in the homework, and that's fine. Sometimes it takes a few tries. So this guide basically takes you from the beginning stages of trading. It moves you on to paper trading and eventually live trading. And I went ahead and pulled it up here. As you can see, it's just a basic guide. It's called the 35 Steps to Trading Success Guide. It consists of 4 phases. Phase 1 is laying the foundation. You can see in this phase is the trading course. That Learn to Trade Like a Pro course I talked about is covered in here. It has you watch each of the videos. At times, you can see where it says homework. It has you send in specific homework to me personally, where I review it and send it back to you, and then you can move on. So that's what phase 1 is. It goes over the trading course. It's absolutely key to complete each of those specific check marks or those boxes before moving on. Phase 2 is build upon your solid foundation. So you have all the information that you learned in the trading course. You feel pretty good as a trader, maybe even to where you could make some successful trades. What we're going to do in the second phase is kind of really solidify what you learned. So we have a certain amount of the advanced videos set aside here for you to focus on. And again, additional homework questions for you to do if you want. Again, none of this is, you don't have to do it. It's just encouraged that you do if you really want to see success. You need to put in the time in trading. So again, we have phase 2. You're going to build upon what you learned in phase 1. You have the foundation set. Now it's about growing and expanding. We have a lot of good videos set aside for you there with some great homework assignments. Phase 3, practice makes perfect. So now you have the tools you need. It's time to implement them, but you want to do it on the practice field. You don't want to go into actual live trading where you could end up losing your money. You want to be able to practice it, because no matter what, no matter how good of a strategy you think you have, emotions are still going to come into effect, and losses could still happen. So you want to make sure that any issues that you have, you work them out on the practice field before you move into actual trading. So here's where we have you open a free paper trading account. You perform nightly scans for some reversal trades, basic reversal trades, so on and so forth, and you work to build a running watch list. Then you work to log 25 paper trades, and then I actually have you send me that log in. Once you're complete with those paper trades, you send me that log in. I do a full review of each trade, winning trade, losing trades, whatever it is, and then we kind of see, okay, are you ready to move on to live trading? So I can really, you don't have to do that. Like I said, if you don't want to send them in, you feel confident enough, you can move on, but I encourage it. It's just another option for you to consider, so I can give my input on if you are set, in my opinion, to move on to phase 4, which is implementing what you've learned. So after you've completed all the other phases, phases 1 through 3, this is when you move into live trading. Okay, this is when you feel comfortable. You've put in the time paper trading. You've done all the work. You're seeing success with your paper trading. You're seeing highly rated trades. We have a rating scale on 1 to 5. You should see all 3, 4s, and 5s. You're seeing a lot of success there. So now you feel comfortable. Okay, let me move into actual live trading. Basically, you're going to continue to do everything you did with your paper trading account. But you have to understand that live trading is slightly different since more emotions are involved. So you just have to work really hard to stick to your trading plan and be as robotic as possible. Now, if you're following our watch list, you'll start to really see how that's what we do. We have a clear trading strategy. We stick to it, and we're as robotic as we can to remove as much emotions as we can. We always have a stop loss set. We always have a profit target set. So our emotions are removed from the situation. The next check mark you can see down here, it tells you to continue to review elite videos and watch all new videos we add. Since we'll be adding new videos, it's recommended that anytime we do, you go ahead and watch them. Or if you find yourself struggling with something, you can go back and watch the video, or even you can take a step back. Maybe you start off, you have a win or two, then you have a couple losses, you're not feeling real confident. Take a step back before you damage your account too much and paper trade for a week or so to kind of get the feel for it again, and then move back into live trading. Okay, trading is a marathon. It is not a sprint, but too many people treat it like a sprint, so they end up face planting when if they would just be a little more patient, they could see success long term. So that is what our 35-step to trading success guide is. Those students who complete this guide typically see success. Most students come in and just complete phase 1, then try to jump right into it, and they see mixed results. And that's kind of upsetting. I wish people would really stick to it. It does take time. Again, it's go at your own pace. You can complete this as fast as you want, but typically it takes a month or so, sometimes more. Sometimes people will complete it at less. If they're day trading, for example, they can get those 25 trades logged a lot quicker. But typically it takes some time, but it is absolutely worth it longer term to go through and actually commit and complete each and every one of these steps in detail. Send in every homework assignment. Work back and forth with me as much as you can to answer any questions before you ever put a single dollar at risk, because when you are putting money in the market, there's obviously risk involved. So you want to make sure you've done what you need to do to be sure that you're in the best position to succeed. And that is what our 35-step program does. It puts you in position to succeed. We provide you with all the tools. We give you the 35-step guide. We give you detailed help and training over video and over email to help you move forward and be in position to go out and execute. So that's a brief rundown of what our 35-step guide contains. If you hit join now, there's a few buttons. You can hit sign me up, or you can hit join now. It'll take you to the order form. You can see, typically speaking, this program costs $697. That is a one-time fee. We have it on sale right now for roughly 50% off. It's at $350. There are 10 spots remaining. 10 spots remaining in this program, or if the month of September ends. So whatever comes first, if the 10 spots go, which could happen, or if the month of September comes to a close, the price is going to go back up to $697. Like I said, this is a one-time fee. There are no recurring charges whatsoever at any point in the future. Also, anytime we add new trading courses, which is a high possibility, you get complete access to them at no additional charge. So anything we add new to the program, you get, okay? Period. There's no discussion about that. Anything, any stock-related program that we add, you can have. And there's also a 10-day money-back guarantee. So if you come in, I recommend at first kind of looking around a little bit, checking out some of the videos, seeing if there are things that you actually need. But if you happen to come in and find out, you know what, I may not need this, you can let me know. We'll give you your money back, no questions asked, 10-day money-back guarantee. So if you have any questions at all about anything in our 35-step mentor program, go ahead and shoot me an email, tannerstrading@gmail.com. I'd be more than happy to address those questions for you. Hopefully, I'll be working with some of you in the near future. Hope you enjoyed this video, and have a great day.